Up next, we have the wonderful Chyna Hazel-Polkinghorne, and she is performing her piece, I'd Like to Propose a Roast.
Good evening, friends, family, and citizens of the Royal Kingdom. I hope nobody had any problems parking their pumpkins. You all know why you're here tonight, and it is, of course, to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of my dear and charming husband's coronation. My darling, you are the love of my life, and my goodness, how you have changed it. Your people love and admire you beyond words, but no one will ever love you as much as I do. You're so good to me, baby, baby. You took me from a girl who could barely own a little corner into a woman that can now own an entire room. Charming does not even begin to describe how incredible you really are. I wanna lock you up in my closet when no one's around. I wanna put your hand in my pocket because you're allowed. I wanna drive you into the corner and kiss you without a sound. I wanna stay this way forever. I'll say it loud. Now you're in and you can't get out. You make me so hot, you make me wanna drop. You're so ridiculous, I can barely stop. I can hardly breathe, you make me wanna scream. You're so fabulous, you're so good to me, baby, baby. You're so good to me, baby, baby. Your people love and admire you beyond words, and you are such a remarkable man to those below you. The person you forced me... Sorry, the person I've become because of you is someone I never in my wildest dreams thought I could be. Like, you telling me to grow out my bangs? Best thing that ever happened to me. Maybe now that you've been king for a whole year, you'll be able to master such a simple task as putting your dirty towels in a hamper. And seeing as you're no little prince anymore, maybe you can figure out the difference between a toilet seat that's up and one that's down? No, we joke. I personally know charming better than anybody here. Besides maybe a few. Oh, they aren't here. And I can say without a doubt that he is the most caring man you will ever meet. Like, it sounds cliche, but he really does treat me like a princess. Well, a princess in the sense that I'm not permitted to speak without first being spoken to. I'm scolded if I wear the same dress twice, and all my animals have been banished and replaced by corgis. Which I guess are cuter. Ever since being with you, I don't feel like anybody's little lentil picker anymore. Oh, look at him going all red. He's just being modest. A trait he's clearly very familiar with. Like, he definitely does not force me to call him by name. He appointed himself that reflects his own oh-so-charming appearance. Anyway, we are lucky enough to have a very special guest with us here tonight, Charmy's father! These two are so close. They would spend all day, every day together if they could. And that's actually exactly what they did when I got food poisoning from the crab cakes at the wedding. And Charmy so generously invited his father to take my place on our honeymoon in Atlantis for 2 weeks. Their bond is just unbreakable. Like, seriously, can someone pass me a pair of scissors? Because I think it's time to cut the cord. He really has learned everything he knows from you. Maybe one day he too will host massive parties to pimp out our son. I'm tugging at my hair and pulling at my clothes. I'm trying to keep my cool. I know be too late. Do I want to know? Snow White and Sleeping Beauty, everybody! Looking gorgeous as ever. How are you, ladies? Silly me. I guess I could just ask Charming, couldn't I, darling? For those of you who aren't aware, myself, Snow, and Beauty were the bestest of gal pals growing up. We tell stories of how wicked our stepmothers were, would fill out every Cosmo quiz to find out the star sign of our future prince, the flavor of our wedding cake. We were sisters. Until one day, not long ago, our sisterly bond started to feel more like an episode of Sister Wives. And I was that one sort of weirdo wife that you kind of just watch and question why she's there. Because the husband totally seems more invested in the other two, and then you just settle on the fact that maybe he's just keeping her around because she keeps the fire going, or makes like a mean casserole or something. Silly little old Cindy didn't realize she was sharing her own little corner with two other women. You say that I'm messing with your head, all because you were making out with my friends. Love hurts, whether it's right or wrong. He can't stop, cause he's having too much fun. You're on your knees, begging please, stay with me. But honestly, I just need to be a little crazy. All my life I've been good, but now, whoa, what the hell? All I want is to mess around, and I don't really care about if you love me, if you hate me, you can save me, baby, baby. All my life I've been good, but now, whoa, what the hell? What? What the hell, Florian? Oh no. Oopsie. Did you not want everyone to know your real name? Don't let that endearing veneer smile fool you, ladies and gentlemen. It's not what he seems. Not at all. I cannot believe you invited the two triggers Doc and I have been working on. For those of you who have forgotten, he's had quite a thing for dead girls in the past. I'm sorry! I don't want to play dead in the bedroom. All around the topic of fetishes, or should I say fetishes? Well, I just want to know, when you set out to save these one true loves, did you actually manage to remember what their faces looked like, or just their feet? Like, how did you forget what my face looked like, or remembered what shoes I was wearing under this pumpkin-ass petticoat? Oh, and don't think I don't know, you still touch them at night, Flo. I see the smudges. It's getting so bad, I'm contemplating switching to jellies, or just like buying you a pair of your own. Seeing as you're always saying, oh darling, I'm just interested in fashion. Please! Honey, there's already one evil queen in the room tonight. Would you like to be the second? So everybody, join me in raising an empty glass to the man of the hour and my ex-husband, Florian. Happy anniversary, darling.